Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Today we have a very beautiful casual day that we are starting in the library in Almere, in the very center of Almere. Today Eva doesn't go to school because they have a self-education day for teachers, so it's a free day for her today. Today is Thursday, but Olivia goes to preschool, so we decided to use this nice opportunity with Eva to go to this beautiful library to get new books, to give back the books that she already finished. And after the library we also have some things to be done, so let's spend this beautiful day together, guys. Before we take new books, we have to give back the books we have already. And Eva is doing great job with scanning the books, and it goes right there, a little book. That book was for Olivia actually, right?
Она там мама останавливается и ее сканирует.
So good. So all our books are done and we don't have anything wrong. This is the end, right? Cool. So let's go to the library. So huge library. So beautiful. It's my first time I'm in the library here in the Netherlands. And now we go upstairs. The library is so beautiful. And this is the right. Yeah. This is the kids part of the library. And we came to the kids part of the library. There's so many exciting things here, like this one. Ah, so you catch the letters, right?
Смотри, мама.
Yeah, Ava is catching the letters. Reader. What is that? Reader? Reader. Oh, this is it. Okay. I also can learn something. And that is another one, right? Another word. Yes, it is f. Fles. Fles. Okay. And there is another game. It's a puzzle, right? Oh, we love puzzles. Let's do it together. So it's kind of a huge puzzle about the cat. It is even the time, so we should do it in a proper time. So cool. We can choose different games here. What do you want? Or maybe this one, maybe the island. Yeah, let's do it. It's the active floor thing. Wow. Well guys, while Eva is busy with the books and the games and everything, I took my laptop to get some things done, and so I think I have 40 minutes to do my work and to do some urgent things, and I'll be waiting until Eva is totally happy and she gets all the books, and after the library we will go to pick up Olivia from the preschool. And by the way, I'm editing the second part of Why the Netherlands video, and I really want to thank you guys for the support of that video, because it is very frank, it is very true, and you guys did an enormous support. Thank you very much for that. Ava has chosen the books. Now it's time to scan them. Let's go and scan them. Давай сканировать. Давай, пойдем.
Или книжки.
Вот они. А куда идти?
Я покажу недалеко.
Окей. Ну давай.
Пошли остальные. Это книжки там добрые.
And this is what Ava did. Yes? Okay, one by one, right? No.
Нет, сюда.
Ah, of course. Yes. Uh-huh. Eva, yes, and we have, yeah, pick her name. Yeah, let's start. We picked up Olivia from preschool, and now we are going to have lunch. And yeah, and Olivia is telling about her preschool. Оливка, тебе понравилось? Did you like it, Olivia? Понравилось? I'm asking if she liked it. Да, понравилось, Оливка? Да, идем. Ай, в шапочке ты? She has a new cap. And Ava is there with the new books. We all have backpacks today. So funny. Okay, we go now. Now we are going to have lunch, and then I want to give out the books that we don't need anymore. We have a school not far from us, that's why the kids are crying and you hear them probably. So here we can leave the books or take the books. We would love to, and we brought the books here that we don't need, and now we will leave them here. And our final point for today is there in Almere Boughton Center. And these are all the products we bought. We went to Holland and Barrett. I really love this shop, and I bought some tea for autumn season because there can be some flu things, and syrups with Echinaceae and Sambucus syrups. They are very nice in case kids get some sick or we get some sick. And I also love this brand Villeda for cosmetics. I really love it, and I was really happy that they gave me this cream as a gift. And these packs, yes guys, I started to use them because it's really great invention when you just get this box and you have everything in it and you just get ready cooking. And what here we have the pizza bases, gluten-free pizza bases, so we are going to have little sweet Friday. And I also got some alcohol-free wine because we love it. I decided to make pizzas today, and now it's time to put them into the oven. And the pizza looks beautiful. And the most important that it was very fast.